Hi, welcome to the channel. If it's danger you're after, we've got that. If it's shiny restorations, we've got that. If it's just a clean, got that too. Ridiculously overpriced eBay wins, got that as well. And of course the odd Visor 17.
Okay, well, until I've got time to experiment with a new phone camera, I'll be using the old one. I don't have much time lately for some reason, busy man. So I'm gonna just have a couple of mouthfuls of Henry Weston. At the side of the connoisseurs. Right, this came, I can't even tell. This must be bang on £20, 10 kilos. It must be 21.9 pounds. Yeah, I'm going to open it up, show you what's inside. There we are, load of newspaper. Thanks for watching, bye for now. That is my first cider of the evening, and only at the power of them. Now, there should be an awful lot in here because I've not had a package of this man for ages, and I must check it, I think, as well, because I don't know if he sent one. I didn't get it, but I mean, I think I'm owed so many things. Right. Anyway, so here we are. An axe. Look at that. That is a Peerless axe. Where's that Peerless there? Oh, the handle's a bit, ooh, fucking hell. Well, I intend to get out a quick smoochie and get that back on eBay. No use for an axe anymore. I'll move this box out of the way, people. Big old spanner, that can go on eBay. It's an Acer 704, 1 1/16. And 1 1/4 inches, so that's quite a big one. Might get a tenner for that, a bit of money back. Pair of scissors, don't remember these, but obviously they're in the box and they're gold. So, oh, copper. Special beryllium anti-sparking scissors, maybe. These are Richards. They're pink in scissors because they've got the, you know, the fancy lines. I don't know anyone that has their hair cut with these lines. All they're useful for, I think, are schools, you know, for cutting the old ziggity-zaggity on the paper. Look at that. Fantastic. They work well, don't they? So that's those. I think I might do and guess the price on everything that comes out of this box in total. How about that? So what we got there is 26mm Japan. That looks like one of the crappiest spanners I've ever seen. I don't know what happened when I was bidding on all these. A 3/4 Laura. That's a tiny one. It's funny because Ben mentioned the other day about them tiny King Dicks. Oh, these are Elliot Lucas. I haven't got a pair of them, so they'll come up all right, won't they? Ooh, fucking hell. This is another one of them soldering irons. Big old thing, but I mean, how old is that? Cool. Look at I want to send that to Scoutcraft to get him just to get that little polish. Get that back to new, eh? No handle. So all these end up having is, you know, like file handles, the old wooden file handles on these. So that's not too hard to find a handle for that. Bought this for my mate Ben. Didn't realise it wasn't metal. In plastic. That's an Acme one. Ben, I know you collect these little dinky things, so if you want this Acme whistle, it's plastic, but it'll go in your, you know, in your pictures. So that was a bit of a disappointment. In fact, do you know what? I don't think there's anything come out of this box yet that I'm really over the moon with. Little tiny screwdriver. I thought that might be a Stanley, but on closer inspection, no. And what's this? This is... and this doesn't know if it's a blunt chisel or a blunt screwdriver or what, I don't think. I'm getting a bit disappointed now with this box. It is absolutely ages, I think, since I've had a delivery off of this chap. And, go that way, you idiot. So that's a footprint. Fucking hell. I shouldn't really be disappointed, should I? What I should see here is not disappointment, but challenges. Oh, we've got a little handle. That could be interesting. I know what this is. This is one of those... it's even got a chucky look. Don't think that's been used. I think this is new old stock from 2016. Time you screw all this together though, what you have got is something that will drill round corners and in small gaps. So, don't know what the name of that is. You put your normal drill on there, look, yeah? Sounds like some quality in there, doesn't it? Eh? Fucking hell. Right, so that's quite pointless. So, what I've done up until now, because I've never had one of these that drill round corners, what I've done is I've just turned my arm on the drill. So we'll leave that there as well. Three pairs of pliers. Unnamed, and unnamed. I'll tell you what, fucking got the matching fucking set of 3 unnamed pliers. Oh no, USA H Boca? Well, okay, we'll put them to one side because they might be worth something. Another unnamed pair. And Elliot Lucas. They look quite reasonable for Elliot Lucas. So, yep. What we got in here? If you're disappointed, imagine what I'm like. I've had to pay for this. Anyone that wants to turn off now, I mean, I'm with you. I might turn off anyway. I might just stop recording. Alright, little pair of pincers. 5-inch, quite unusual. Not quite enough there. Not quite enough to nip the part, nip your thumb. So, quite good. A Win and Cummins. Yeah, they're always good for a clean. And another miniature pair there. Unnamed. So, oh, I don't know. This is like a desperate Ben car boot haul, isn't it? It's just buy anything just to do a video. No offence, Ben. I'm saying I'll buy anything as well to do a video. A broken pair of pliers. I mean, what are they fucking worth on the open market, eh? 10, maybe 15 pence. And I don't think I've even got to check everything's here, because if anything's missing, I don't think I care. So I got a nice little knife, multi-tool. Don't remember buying this. I wonder if I got the right box. Somebody's got a load of jackdaw stuff, and well, I mean, that's a Power Master. I tell you what, people, I feel like wrapping all this back up in the newspaper, and well, wrapping the good. Well, no, there ain't no good stuff, is there? I feel like not even. I feel like not even bothering. I feel like not even trying to edit the video. Oh. Oh, I found something good. Made in England, so it's kind of good. And they didn't want to put their name on it. Okay. That's quite good, isn't it? What is that? That is a lion. No, I'm telling the truth. That is a lion pad saw handle. So, well, I might do a 20 or 30 minute video on cleaning that up. Best thing in the box so far. I got this for Resto. Alright, Resto, if you're watching, I'm going to send this in the next parcel of English stuff. I have got some more Ford gear for you. This is a very special item. You won't find this in many places. This, I believe, is a 1950s, wait for it, 1950s, no bulb, number plate light, look. That is a 1950s number plate light for a Ford. Alright, so I'm going to send you that. I see that, I thought of you, I thought that'll go in your Ford collection. Maybe you can put a little bulb up, you know, behind it and wire it yourself. But that is a number plate light off of a Ford. Can't remember which one, but there is all the part numbers on. So tell me if you don't want it, because the postage is way more than that's fucking worth. Handle, I guess the handle could be for this. Yep, look at that, that fits like a badly, no, it don't fit, does it? Fucking hell, I'm going to lose subscribers on this video. Right, there's another piss poor fucking solder shit here now. I got this from Mr. Ben, because I know how he hates people buying him stuff, you see. Ben's very particular and he only likes the things he likes. This, Mr. Ben, is a Chesterman steel folding rule. And I know you like things like this for your videos, so you're always buying me stuff. So I thought I'd buy you some stuff back, alright, Ben? So I'm going to stick that in the parcel to you, Ben. That was 28 quid, so alright, you send us the money. And what we got now is some freebies. There's still more stuff to come, but this is just how they come out of the packet. A Stanley 199 and a 9. A Stanley 19 and 9. A Draper. Oh, I might do that in blue. And a Stanley 99E. Oh, good blade in there. Right, so and they're free because the chap can't sell them. So I'm happy with them because they're. I'm very grateful for all free stuff. This is another soldering tool. Fuck, you know. I mean, Jesus Christ, I'm pushing out the barrel now and I've got restorations. I might just get the, I might just go, here's a file, I've got to restore it. And only a couple of things to go now. Don't worry. Oh, for general interest, I bought another, I should put a picture in, bought another Record 74 Vice. This one I will just be spraying up in the inevitable oil rubbed bronze, and I will be sticking it on the open market on eBay. Well, that's a very old pair. Now you can sell these when they look a bit twisted and what's it. You can sell them as blacksmith's tongs and get a bit more money for them. Right, and here's some RSPCB A4026s, RSCs. These are the Polish ones. Always in good condition, the Polish ones. Oh, I should just start a collection of these instead of selling them. And these ones here, if anybody's still watching, are just British made, 6-inch. Again, the people who made these decided that they wanted to say they was made in England. Kind of suggests maybe Sheffield steel, but it hasn't got it on it, so it's not. And they didn't want to put their name to it because they're shit. Right. Then now, on this one here, what we got here, look, is a box. And it says Dorma Screw Extractors. Fucking hell, that side is strong. But another bit. Oh, that's because I don't drink much. When I do drink, it goes right to my belly. Right, the Sheffield Twist Drill and Steel Company Limited. Summerfield Street, Sheffield, England. Turn it over, hold it together. Instructions for using the screw extractor. Well, the screws mentioned above are Whitworth size. So, Whitworth, to the Americans, Whitworth is a non-existent size that nobody really uses anymore. You might find it on old boats. I did have an old World War II harbour launch, and I think that was Whitworth. That had some weird size nuts and bolts on. But there we are. I did know when I bought this that there was 2 missing, but I just thought this is very interesting. I might one day come across these 2 missing ones. Obviously, you know what screw extractors are, don't you? But because it's a box, yeah, and because it's got the thing on, I thought that was worth the money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go away, and promises, eh? I'm going to go away and add all this up and sit and look a bit depressed at it when I realise what I've spent on what is mostly worthless shit. Fucking hell, what have I done here? You know, when you get a load of this on the table and then you look at the price, you've got to think, is it time to stop buying tools? Is it time to stop bidding on any old shit you see just to bid on it? I mean, I like winning stuff, that's a good feeling. But when this is the shit you win, Jesus Christ. Maybe it's time to stop doing YouTube.
No, not really. Of course, it's not time to stop doing YouTube. Maybe time for a little break, but definitely not time to stop doing YouTube. Right, bye for now.